So the DriftDek product is available in two colours, grey and aged oak. It's an uncapped board, which is a pure composite material. It could weather over time, so there may be an element of stain and fading to this product, and probably need a couple of jet washes throughout the year. It's a 10-year warranty board that will protect you against rotting, warping, splitting and cracking. So the DuoDek product is a two-sided capped option, available in 4 colours across 2 board lines. This actually comes with a 20-year warranty, again protecting you against rotting, warping, splitting and cracking, but due to the cap coating there's resistance against staining and fading. We do 2 types of conceal clips, one being the stainless option. Is slightly more expensive but will last the test of time. It allows you a 4 to 5 mm gap in comparison to the nylon option, which will give you 6 to 7 mm. There is a benefit to the nylon with the fact that you can access the boards at any point in the decking. However, there will be a wider spacing and they're more susceptible to cracking. We also can finish the deck with our L trim, so it's a nice way to finish off the edging without leaving any grooves on show. It's available in all 6 colours in a 3.6 metre length, and will also allow you to run down the face of the decking. So you continue with your deck into the trim using all the concealed fixings, no screws on show, and continue down the front if you need to do any cladding or fascia. So we offer 2 types of composite boards, one being capped. The capped product has an extra protective sleeve that runs around the board. This is in the form of a polymer sort of capping to it. The main benefit is it won't stain or it won't fade over time, so there's a big resistance to that. With the non-capped options there is a slight drawback, so whilst they look quite natural, they will weather over time, so you may get spores in the decking that will need pressure washing out. In terms of the cap products, a simple sponge will bring most dirt off. In terms of maintenance, there's very little to do with these boards apart from a general jet wash. With the capped products, probably once or twice a year. With the uncapped options, you may need it 3 or 4 times. So once your subframe's in place, you'll start with your first board going into the starter clips. From that, you'll then use our double-headed secret clips. You'd use that throughout the decking up until your last board, where you may use finishing trim or colour-coded screws. Is composite decking slippery? It's not a anti-slip product. However, in terms of comparing it to timber, you will never get algae or mould forming directly from these boards, therefore not turning them into ice rinks. So in terms of comparing them to timber, a much better performing product. How long does composite decking last? Well, the uncapped DriftDek product will last up to 10 years. That's what it's warranted for. The DuoDek product up to 20, being that as a cap product. There's no special tools needed to cut these boards. They can be cut traditionally like timber, and there's still no need to seal any ends.